Share Dell PowerScale Maintenance D-PSC-MN-01 Real questions for best preparation. 1. What is the first step in planning the installation of a PowerScale cluster? A. Determining the optimal operating system version. B. Calculating the total power consumption. C. Designing the network topology. D. Assessing the physical environment for suitability. Answer: D. 2. How do you ensure data continuity during a PowerScale node hardware upgrade? A. Implement rolling upgrades across the cluster. B. Synchronize all nodes before starting the upgrade. C. Use data mirroring to an external backup cluster. D. Isolate the node being upgraded from the network. Answer: A. 3. What preparatory action is necessary to facilitate effective troubleshooting during and after PowerScale rack installation? A. Creating a detailed network diagram. B. Setting up a temporary command center near the rack. C. Ensuring all tools and spare components are available on site. D. Photographing each phase of the installation for reference. Answer: D. 4. What are key considerations when designing the networking architecture for a PowerScale cluster? Select 2. A. Network latency. B. Firewall configurations. C. Switch capacity. D. Subnet planning. Answer: A. C. 5. When preparing a site for PowerScale installation, which of the following considerations are crucial? Select 2. A. Verifying environmental controls are within recommended parameters. B. Ensuring that the flooring is anti-static. C. Preparing an emergency evacuation plan specific to the data center. D. Confirming that data center staff are trained on PowerScale hardware. Answer: A. B. 6. Which statement is accurate regarding Dell PowerScale firmware updates? A. Drive firmware updates require a reboot. B. Update can only be applied to a node in maintenance mode. C. Firmware updates require a serial connection to the node. D. Node firmware updates require a reboot. Answer: D. 7. Which Dell PowerScale interface is the simplest to use for customers? A. 1FS command line. B. Platform application interface. C. Serial console. D. Web administration interface. Answer: D. 8. Which of the following tasks is crucial when installing a new FRU in a PowerScale node? A. Configuring network settings. B. Validating the compatibility of the FRU with the node. C. Assigning a static IP address to the FRU. D. Creating a backup of the node's configuration. Answer: B. 9. What is a critical aspect of external networking setup for PowerScale clusters? A. Configuring VLANs. B. Ensuring compatibility with legacy systems. C. Implementing quality of service, COS. D. Establishing redundant connections. Answer D. 10. What is a fundamental step in creating a new PowerScale cluster? A. Selecting a cluster name and assigning it an IP range. B. Installing antivirus software on all nodes. C. Configuring email alerts for system warnings. D. Subscribing to a support plan for hardware replacement. Answer A.